In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and download a PNG image in Fotor. We'll walk through the entire process from signing in to exporting a clean PNG file, so you can quickly get your image ready for sharing, printing, or adding to a design. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Fotor.com. Log in and choose the account you want to work from. Once you're in, you'll land on the main workspace. Here you can either create a new project or go straight to your library to access an existing one. If you're starting fresh, pick the option that best fits your goal. If you already have a photo in mind, the library is the quickest path. After your project is open, select the photo you want to edit. Take a moment to make the adjustments you need. You can crop to improve composition, tweak exposure, contrast, and color to make the image pop, or use effects and text if your design calls for it. If you're refining a product shot or a logo, remember that clean edges and balanced color usually translate best when exported as PNG. Work methodically and preview changes as you go so you don't over-edit. When the image looks the way you want it, you're ready to export. Look to the upper right corner of the screen and click Download. A prompt will appear. This is where you'll finalize your file details. Give your image a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Next, choose your file type. Select PNG. PNG is ideal when you want sharper detail, minimal compression artifacts, or a transparent background, which is great for logos, overlays, and graphics that sit on top of other images. Once you've set the name and chosen PNG, click Download to save your file. Your browser will begin saving it to your default downloads location. If you're organizing a project folder, move the file there right away so everything stays tidy. A quick review after download is always a good idea. Open the PNG to confirm it looks exactly as expected. And that's it. You went to Fotor.com, logged in, opened a new or existing project, edited your photo, and exported a clean PNG. Repeating this flow will make you faster each time, and your exports will stay consistent across projects. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow along again while you work on your next image.